Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Let's do abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are words that denote abstract qualities. That is, they are not concrete and we cannot touch them. Let's take few examples to understand abstract nouns. Truth, beauty, happiness, childhood. These are words that are examples of abstract nouns. Let's take happiness. We cannot feel, we cannot touch happiness. We can only feel. In the same way, you cannot touch childhood. You can only feel. That's an experience. Let's take few sentences where we will try to find out the abstract nouns. I want to see justice served. In this sentence, our abstract noun is justice, because this is not a concrete thing that we can hold. It is just an abstract quality. The next sentence. I would like the freedom to travel all over the world. Here, our abstract noun is freedom, because it is an abstract quality. Freedom cannot be touched, or it's not concrete. It's not something that we can hold. Let's come to compound nouns. What are compound nouns? Compound nouns basically refer to two or more nouns combined to form a single noun. For example, sister-in-law. This is formed by combining sister and law. Next example is schoolboy. This is formed by combining two nouns, school and boy. The next example is fruit juice. This is formed by combining fruit and juice.